Alright, hello guys. Today I'll be doing a HP laptop unboxing. This is the 15R10DX model. And so now we're going to unbox it. Alright. Alright. So this is our setup instructions right here. And then this is the laptop. It comes in the black color. And so let's take this aside for now and let's see what else comes in the box. So this comes in the box, and I guess it's warranty stuff, so that's what comes with it and nothing else. Oh, and our battery and our charger, the rest, and the actual charger itself. So let's get to the laptop. So here's our sticker to take it out. This is the actual laptop itself. Let's just put all this in here. Alright, and now to open the battery. And this is a very small battery. It's like this. Alright, and to put this battery in the laptop, you just simply have to do this. And the battery is in. And to first start it up, you would have to you have to take this thing out first.
Come on, I'm doing.
Stop. You take this out first, and then you have your cord, which goes into this, into the actual battery itself. So this right here goes into here, and then this goes right into here, and then you plug this in to the outlet, which is right there. And then let's just put all this garbage in here. And then let's open our laptop. So this is what the laptop looks like. This is what the laptop looks like. HP. This is the keyboard. And this is the HP logo. This is the whatever this is, I don't know. And this comes with that Core i5 processor. Alright, let's turn it on from this. Let's see if this dims out. It's an HP logo. This is the actual keypad itself. This is the plastic right here. I don't know how to take it out. Take it out like that. And it does get a few fingerprints real easily, so you gotta watch out. Alright, so this is your region and language. US, English, and then select your time zone, which mine is Central Time, US and Canada. Just click next. And then this is all the license terms, and then once I get the laptop up and started, I will show you. Alright. Okay guys, so I have done the installation of the laptop, so it is all set up and it looks very, very great. The screen looks really nice, sharp, clear images. It is of course Windows 8.1 and looks very nice. I went ahead and installed Chrome on the laptop, and I didn't want as much clutter, so I unpinned the other stuff and left my Chrome and the Windows Explorer right here, as you can see. File Explorer. Okay, so overall, very nice laptop. It is. I put Chrome as my main browser, and it is good to. I googled Google, guys. And overall it looks very nice. Let's try .com. Looks very nice. So overall, I really like this computer. And of course you can do the scrolling like this, and it will scroll for you. And then to click, you would have to you could do either you tap on it and it will click, or you can press this button and it will click for you when you click like that. But overall, it's a very nice laptop, very nice, good looking laptop. And yeah, the only difference about Windows 7 and 8 is that this home browser, as you can see, and yeah, very nice laptop, and I hope you all liked it. As you can see, it has the HP right here, and it looks very nice. And this is the cord that goes through to power the laptop, and yeah. Alright, hope you enjoy.